How to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. So to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen, first thing you can do is to restart your PC and Riot Client. So to restart your PC, click on the Windows Start menu. And then from here, click on this power button and then click on restart. And then to close Riot Client, go ahead and open the Task Manager. Then on your Task Manager, go ahead and look for Riot Client and then right click on it and then click on this End Task button. Now, simple but effective, close all Riot processes via Task Manager and relaunch. Now, second thing you can do is to run Valorant as administrator. So to do that, right click on Valorant and you'll be able to find this run as administrator option. Now, the third thing you can do is to update your graphics driver. So to update your graphics driver, go ahead and click on WinX on your keyboard and then select Device Manager from here. Then on Device Manager, head over to the Display Adapters tab, right click on your graphics and then click on Update Driver. So make sure to update all of the graphics that you'll find in here. Outdated drivers often cause freeze or black screen issues. And the last option that you have is to update or check your Riot client for updates. So open the Riot client, head over to settings, head over to check for updates, and a corrupted or outdated client can block game launch. And that is how you can basically fix Valorant stuck on loading screen.